How to set a Spotify song as a ringtone on Android or iOS. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily set a Spotify song as a ringtone on your phone. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Spotify and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is locate the song that you want to set as ringtone. For example, here is a song on my playlist. So what you want to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And if you have Spotify Premium, you could download the song to your phone. If you don't have it, then you are not able to do it. But basically, you just need to have Spotify Premium. Or what you could also do is add your favorite song to your playlist. And then from here, you can download your entire playlist like so. For that, you'll need the Spotify Premium. So if you have the Premium, you can download any song you want. And basically after that, you can set it as ringtone. So let me show you guys. Just open up your settings menu and then head over to sounds and vibrations. And then from here, head over to ringtone. And now what you're going to do is tap on this plus icon and then add the song after you've downloaded it. Just tap on it and then it will be set as your ringtone. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.